Has your phone ever said storage full or not enough space? Welcome to Simple Tech Help. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to free up space on your Android phone. Think of your phone storage like a cupboard. When it gets too full, you can't add new things. We'll look into the cupboard, see what's taking up space, and safely remove a few things. First, open Settings, then tap Device Care, and then tap Storage. You'll see what's using space on your phone, like videos, images, docs, etc. If you see Clean Now or Free Up Space, tap it for safe suggestions. Photos and videos often use most space. Open your Photos or Gallery app. Tap and hold one photo. Select the others you don't need and tap Delete. Deleted photos usually go to the trash first and stays there for 30 days before it deletes by itself. So you can restore them if needed before that. Next, go to your app list. Scroll through and find apps you don't use, like old games, shopping apps, or any other app. Tap on the app, then tap Uninstall, confirm if asked. Only remove apps you know you don't need. Now open the Files app or Downloads app. Look for old PDFs, images, or files you don't need. Tap and hold one, then select Others, then tap Delete or the trash can. Some phones also show a clean or free up space tool with suggestions like delete large files or delete unused apps. You can follow those suggestions safely. So far we have checked what's using space, deleted old photos and videos, removed unused apps, and cleared unnecessary downloads. These steps can free up a lot of space and make your phone feel faster. Now we know how to free up space on your Android phone. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. And thank you for watching.